Afro-cinema continues, though. We used to watch Nigerian movies, and then they would go for a commercial break, and then the guy would go, Afro-cinema continues shortly. He speaks in Nigerian language, which is English. Fragmented English, I think. But it was always a treat to watch Nigerian stuff. They are comedic, very interesting. They say we don't break these, so we don't. But we used to break them back in the day. Otherwise, I will put my stuff in here. I think 2 are enough, but I'll use 3. And then we wait. Alrighty, it's boiling hot. Let's get it there. How do you like your spaghetti? They're enjoying sharing that space. I should actually turn them around so they don't stay there forever. So here we got this very beautiful thing I'm gonna use. I am using this for my wee. Okay. Using a little oil. I'm gonna take them out because I need my spaghetti to have space. This will go in there. This will sit out there. This will sit out there. And this needs a turn. I'd go with that. Yep. For proper cooking, you gotta. I lowered my temp and I'll be covering this so it's not al dente. Okay. Now that my tomatoes are here, I'll close this. How do you close this with one hand? You don't. Here we go. There is only 1 tomato because it fits in there. good stuff. I'll add a soft tomato and close. Okay, halfway. Gotta close this somehow. And there we have it. Oh, brother. Got one more tomato. Ready. I'll take out the water, but I'll save it. And this is ready, even with the shifting. Now water out. Ouch. It is heavier than I thought. And this, we are going to put it here. It is seasoned. I'm just going to put it in there. Now that is the spaghetti we made. I have a remainder. And I have water. When you do in mathematics, they say, you get 5, you carry 1. Now we carry 1. This is we carry 1. And 1 we carry in. And delicious spaghetti. You would think there is cream in there. I am not planning to cream it, but it looks ready. When you cook, you're gonna try it. I know. Ooh. I have a plate. I'm gonna try it. Silly boo boo on the beats. Ah, girl, that's fire. Ooh, creamy goodness. Bon appetit. Moments of truth. Moments of truth. It's oh boy. Oh boy. I guess we're gonna just go in. Now that right there is made by me. Very fresh, creamy goodness. No butter, no cheese, no cream, just fresh stuff. Whew. Whew. Now that is pasta. We are moving to Italy. Bon appetit.